Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the Treat Time bundle, and this is the cute little container we're going to be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I just have a piece of PETAL pink, and we are using the Treat Time bundle. And we're just going to be using It's a Real Treat Being Friends Like You. But I want to show you the dies. You can make a half a circle like we're going to make. You can make a heart, or you can make the regular sour cream container. And you can also add these scallops if you'd like. Okay, so I'm going to get my FLIRTY Flamingo. And I have that stamp mounted on clear block B. So just like that. Now I'm going to bring in the Big Shot. And I have this little decorative label here, and I'm going to run that through, get that lined up good. Alright, and I have a 6x6 piece of PETAL Promenade. And then I have the die that we are going to be using to make our container. You only need about 5.5 by 6. Run that through. And so it has these little tick marks here where you know where to fold. So I'm just going to kind of squeeze them together. And hopefully you can see this on camera, but I don't think you'll be able to. Okay, so I'm going to get my tear and tape. And I'm going to put a piece here on the ends, tear that off. Then I'm going to put the piece between these two tick marks here at the bottom. And then I'm going to put one right up here. And then we will just peel the backs off. Now, first we're going to roll this together. And then we're going to pinch it this way. And let's see, don't have any candy in here. As odd as that is, because normally I do. So you would just squeeze the top, just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we are going to get this and put it down, but I think I'm going to dress this up with some ribbon. Okay, so I have some ribbon from the Tea Room combo pack, and Wrap it around. Just a couple of times. Now, if this was filled with candy or something, it would be a lot easier to tie. All right. And then I'm just going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Just like that. So you could make multiple of these and hand them out to your friends. Alright, well, thanks for watching. And remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!